Hey y'all, welcome back to Sunday Dinner with Miss Vicky B. Today I'm just going to be making chef salads. I asked my husband if he had any ideas of anything he wanted. It's starting to get a little hot in the house, so I didn't really want to turn the oven on, so he picked chef salad, so that's what we're having. So I'm going to flip you around and show you all the ingredients, and then I'm going to make the salads. All right, y'all, this is it right here. Everything I need to make my chef salad. I've got some lettuce and some broccoli, an onion, a cucumber, tomatoes, peppers, carrots, some Black Forest ham, some mesquite smoked turkey, bacon crumbles. I got Hidden Valley Ranch and French. My husband wanted the ranch. I like ranch, but my favorite is French, so that's what I wanted. Some cheese and garlic seasoned croutons, and of course my fried onions for the top. So I've got to wash all these vegetables and then we'll get started. I also forgot I'm going to add a little cheese to the top too. So normally I pull 2 plates down, and as I'm cutting up the vegetables I just layer them on the plates. But every single time I do that, my husband says these salads are way too big. I can't eat it all. And then when I go to eat mine, I can't eat it all either. So I thought I'll go ahead and put it in my biggest mixing bowl and see how much it makes. And then I can just put some salad on the plate. So let's see what happens if I do it this way and how this goes.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. In the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know when we've arrived. Yeah, we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. Just say yes, choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that.
So as you can see, with each vegetable I'm cutting and putting in the bowl, I'm going ahead and using the tongs and mixing it so that I don't have to mix it all at the end. I feel like it all gets mixed in better this way. Okay, so now I'm just starting to plate this salad up. I'm gonna put some salad on the plate, what I think is probably gonna be enough for us. And as you can see, there's enough left in the bowl for probably 2 more nights. And then I'm gonna put the ham and the turkey on top and go ahead and put the cheese, the bacon bits, the salad dressing, and the crunchy stuff on top. And it made still a nice big salad, but not way too big like it usually is. Okay, this is our salads for tonight. I did not put my husband's crunchy stuff on or the dressing because I want it to be fresh. I don't want the crunchy stuff to get soggy before he gets ready to eat. I almost forgot that and put the croutons on, but I took them back off. And then this is mine. I'm fixing to eat mine right now. Can't wait. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next week. Also wanted to say, this took some work chopping up all those vegetables, but super easy cleanup. I think I've got 2 knives, a spoon, a plate and a fork, and then tonight when he eats, there'll be another plate and a fork, and that's all the dishes.